How to recover disappearing messages on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app, tap on the three-line menu at top, open Account Center, scroll down a bit, tap on your information and permissions. Then tap on export your information. Now tap on create export. Select where you want to export your files. I'm selecting export to device. And here is the important part. You can customize your data. Now tap on customize information. Clear all these check marks. Only check mark on the messages since that's what we are storing. Now save it. Next, tap on date range and choose the period from when you want to restore your messages. Save it again. Now tap on the export button. Instagram team will send you an email within 4 to 5 minutes depending on your file size. Now open the email, come back on this page and save the file. Extract the file. Finally, you'll see all your Instagram disappearing messages has recovered.